Hey there, fellow shooting enthusiasts. Are you tired of paying premium prices for factory ammunition? Have you been thinking about getting into reloading but don't know where to start? Or maybe you're looking to upgrade your current reloading setup? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through the 7 best reloading kits on the market based on my extensive testing and experience. Number 7. Frankford Arsenal M-Press. The Frankford Arsenal M-Press is designed for the serious reloader who wants to produce precise ammunition. This single-stage press features an easy-to-adjust universal shell holder system that allows you to switch between small to magnum, pistol, or rifle-sized cases with just the turn of a dial. I found the removable die blocks to be a nice touch, making it simple to switch between resizing, seating, or crimping operations. The ambidextrous top handle provides a comfortable grip for both left and right-handed reloaders, and the universal shell plate system eliminates the need for caliber-specific shell plates, working with everything from 17 Remington through 338 Lapua Magnum casings. During my testing, I appreciated the floating die system, which allows for optimal bullet-to-case alignment, helping to minimize runout for more accurate ammunition. The press also includes a spent primer catcher and 3 cast aluminum die blocks, along with 2 parallel guide rods for stability and an integrated LED light to illuminate your work area. However, I did notice that the press feels a bit stiff when new, requiring more break-in time than some competitors. At $249.99, it's also on the pricier side for a single-stage press, especially for beginners just getting into reloading. While the universal shell holder is convenient, I found it occasionally requires readjustment between calibers to maintain optimal performance. Despite these minor issues, the M-Press delivers solid performance for precision reloading. Its sturdy construction and thoughtful features make it a worthy consideration, particularly if you value precision over speed in your reloading process. Number 6. Lee Precision Breech Lock Challenger Kit. The Lee Breech Lock Challenger Press Kit offers an impressive array of components at an affordable price point. This kit includes the press itself, Lee's safety scale, powder measure, primer pocket cleaner, case preparation tools, and more. Essentially everything you need to start reloading right away. One of the standout features is Lee's quick change bushing system, which I found to be genuinely useful during testing. You can set your die into one of the 3 included bushings, pop it into the press's interrupted thread, turn it about 60 degrees, and it locks in place. This eliminates the need to reset dies in the bushing. Just change out the bushing and die set as a whole. The press itself looks and feels sturdy, though it's not quite as smooth as higher-end models like the RCBS Rock Chucker. It handles both rifle and pistol cartridges effectively, and the included primer tools work smoothly for installing primers on the press. The powder measure, while functional, seems adequate for basic reloading needs. During my extended testing, I noticed some concerning wear issues. After resizing about 150 rounds and seating bullets in 30 cases, I observed scrape marks down the main shaft, even after applying Teflon lubricant. The powder measure, while initially fine, became loose rather quickly, which makes me question its longevity after 1,000 rounds or so. The included scale works, but feels somewhat cheap compared to digital alternatives. For beginners on a tight budget who plan to reload just a few hundred rounds per year, this kit represents good value. However, if you're planning to do serious volume reloading, you might find yourself upgrading components within 6 months. Number 5. Lee Precision Classic Turret Press. The Lee Precision Classic Turret Press represents a significant step up from single-stage presses while maintaining a reasonable price point. This 4-hole turret press combines the precision of single-stage loading with increased efficiency, making it an excellent middle ground option. During my testing, I was immediately impressed by the solid steel linkage and sturdy iron base, which give this press a substantial quality feel. The first stroke of the hardwood-gripped lever convinced me that this is a silky smooth press with excellent mechanical advantage. The rigid cast iron frame supports the ram with over 12 square inches of area, providing exceptional stability during operation. One of the most impressive features is the long stroke, which allows rifle cases over 3 inches long to be loaded using the automatic index. When you deactivate the auto index feature, you can even load cases over 4 inches long. The industry's largest ram is drilled completely through to dispense primers in an attached clear PVC tube, ensuring that every primer is caught. I found the instant change 4-hole turrets to be a game changer for efficiency. You can set up all your dies at once and rotate between them without having to remove and reset dies for each operation. The Lee Lever Primer System, LPS, and Lee Safety Prime tool made priming on the press a delight compared to other systems I've used. For reloaders looking to increase their production without sacrificing precision, this press hits the sweet spot. It's significantly faster than single-stage presses while maintaining excellent alignment and consistency in your loaded rounds. 4. Lyman All-American 8-Turret Press. The Lyman Brass Smith All-American 8-Turret Press is truly a feature-packed, rugged option that impressed me during testing. This press takes the turret concept to the next level with its extra-large 8-station turret machined from heavy-duty cast iron. What immediately stood out was the versatility offered by the 8-station turret, the largest available on the market. It can hold 2 complete 4-die sets or up to 4 2-die sets, allowing you to switch between different calibers or loading operations with minimal setup time. The easily removed turret bolt makes swapping turrets simple, further enhancing this versatility. The rigid cast iron frame houses a substantial 1-inch diameter ram and compound linkage, creating a system that feels incredibly solid during operation. When working the press handle, I could feel the tight, precision fit and smooth operation that comes from quality manufacturing. The frame is large enough to accommodate even the longest rifle cartridges, making this a truly universal press. I was particularly impressed with the newly designed straight-line primer feed. It's reliable and intuitive to use. Simply push the priming arm forward at the bottom of the ram travel to position it beneath the shell holder to seat a primer. For added safety, the primer feed comes with a heavy steel shield surrounding the primer tubes, protecting the operator from any potential mishaps. The comfortable ball handle can be positioned for either right or left-hand use, making this press accessible to all reloaders. Compatible with any standard 7/8 by 14 thread dies and standard shell holders, the Lyman All-American 8-Turret Press offers exceptional versatility and quality that will satisfy both novice and experienced reloaders looking for a balance of precision and efficiency. Number 3. Hornady Lock and Load Classic Reloading Press. The Hornady Lock and Load Classic Reloading Press has earned its reputation as a premium single-stage press, and my testing confirmed why it's so highly regarded among serious reloaders. This press combines exceptional build quality with innovative features that streamline the reloading process. The standout feature is Hornady's lock and load bushing system, which I found to be a game changer for efficiency. Once a die is set up correctly in a bushing and locked with the nut, you can remove the entire assembly with just a quarter turn, preserving your exact settings. When you need that die again, it locks back into place with perfect alignment. This system saved me significant setup time when switching between operations or calibers. The press itself is built like a tank, with impressive fit and finish that speaks to Hornady's commitment to quality. The operation is silky smooth, with a mechanical advantage that makes even full-length resizing of tough rifle brass feel effortless. The frame is designed to provide excellent visibility of your work, which I appreciated when performing precise operations. During extended testing sessions, I found the primer catching system to be reliable and user-friendly. The press handle is comfortable for extended use, and the entire unit maintains its solid feel even after processing hundreds of rounds. The cast iron construction eliminates flex or play, ensuring consistent results round after round. For reloaders who value precision and durability, the Hornady Lock and Load Classic represents an excellent investment. While it carries a higher price tag than some competitors at around $218, the time savings from the quick change system and the long-term durability make it worth every penny. 2. RCBS Rebel Master Reloading Kit. The RCBS Rebel Master Reloading Kit stands out as a comprehensive solution for both novice and experienced handloaders. anchored by the tough-as-nails cast-iron Rebel single-stage reloading press. This kit impressed me with both its quality and completeness during my extensive testing. The Rebel press itself is a standout component, heavy, tight, and built like a tank. It handled everything from small 25 ACP cases to massive .338 Lapua Magnum with equal precision and ease. The mechanical advantage provided by the handle design made even the toughest resizing operations manageable, while the cast iron construction eliminated flex for consistent results. What truly sets this kit apart is the quality of the included accessories. The Uniflow 3 powder measure delivered exceptional consistency in my charge weight testing, with minimal deviation between throws. The 1500 grain digital pocket scale provided accurate measurements that I verified against my laboratory-grade scale, finding them remarkably precise for a kit-included tool. I was particularly impressed with the universal hand priming tool, which offered excellent feel and control when seating primers. The included case slick spray lube, powder funnel, deburring tool, case loading block, and powder trickler 2 are all quality items that work seamlessly together. RCBS even includes case neck brushes, primer pocket brushes, and a fold-up hex key set, thoughtful additions that demonstrate their understanding of a reloader's needs. For someone looking to invest in a complete reloading solution that will last for decades, the RCBS Rebel Master Kit represents exceptional value. While the initial investment is higher than some entry-level options, the quality of each component means you won't be replacing them anytime soon. 1. Hornady Lock and Load AP Press. The Hornady Lock and Load Auto Progressive AP Press stands at the pinnacle of reloading equipment, and after putting it through its paces, I can confidently say it deserves the top spot on this list. This progressive press combines speed, precision, and reliability in a way that transforms the reloading experience. From the moment I set it up, I was impressed by the thoughtful engineering evident throughout the press. Weighing in at 26 pounds, the solid construction includes 3 grease fittings strategically placed to make lubrication much easier than on competing models. The 5-station design allows for a complete loading sequence in a single cycle of the handle, dramatically increasing production speed without sacrificing quality. The lock and load bushing system truly shines in this progressive application. Once dies are set up in their bushings, they can be removed and replaced with perfect alignment maintained. This feature proved invaluable during my testing when I needed to switch between calibers or troubleshoot a specific die setting. Instead of losing my carefully tuned adjustments, I could simply unlock the bushing with a quarter turn, make the necessary changes, and return it to the exact same position. During extended loading sessions, I consistently produced 2,000 plus rounds of 45 ACP with various bullet types without any significant issues. The powder measure delivered remarkably consistent charges, and the primer feeding system functioned reliably after proper setup. While the initial adjustment period requires patience to get everything dialed in perfectly, once set up, the press runs smoothly and consistently. For serious reloaders who need to produce significant quantities of ammunition, the Hornady Lock and Load AP Press represents the ultimate investment. Final thought. So there you have it, my comprehensive breakdown of the 7 best reloading kits on the market today. Whether you're just getting started or looking to upgrade your current setup, there's an option here that will meet your needs and budget. Remember, reloading is both a science and an art, so take your time, follow safety protocols, and enjoy the satisfaction of creating your own custom ammunition. Thanks for watching, and happy reloading.